Give your Silverado, Sierra the perfect blend of performance and stability from rough country. Improves control and handling. Reduces bump steer and vibration, added life to tires, ball joints and other steering components. Chrome hardened 18 mm piston rod. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely fix my bump steering. I had a bump steer issue. I put bigger factor wheels on. The vehicle would hit a bump and steering wheel jump back and forth. Installed this unit, had to drill the second hole using a stepper drill bit. It definitely corrected my issue.